How to set up parental controls in Google Play Store. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to set up parental controls in Google Play Store. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing to do as usual is to open your Google Play Store app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. And at the top part of your screen, you see the search box and the notification icon. You see the profile icon. Just on your screen too, you see several apps that you can download on your screen. You can take a look at all these apps, and once you see anyone that you are of interest of, you click on it and you can download the app. Now, to set up parental controls in Google Play Store, you take a look at the upper part of the screen where we have the profile icon. You click on the profile icon, then you wait for a drop down to be displayed on your screen. And on this drop down display, we have you see your name, your email address. You see options like manage apps and devices, offers and notification, payment and subscription, and so on. And just at the lower part of the drop down, you see settings. You click on settings, then you wait for a page to load on your phone, where you'd see options like general, you see options like network preferences, you see options like authentication, family, and so on. So you click on the option family. So it's under this family option that you're going to see parental control. So if you want to set up parental control Play Store, you click on family. Family is the fourth option on this row. Once you've clicked on it, you see the option parental controls. You click on parental control, you click on it and you wait for the page to load. And just at the front of parental control, you have a button. Once the button is dark, it shows that you've turned off parental control on your Google Play Store. But if you want to turn it on, just like I have here, the button is turned off. That is why the button is dark. But if you want to turn it on, you simply click on the button, and once you've clicked on it, a message will pop on your screen asking you for the PIN to change setting for parental control. So if you're interested in changing parental control, setting up parental control in Google Play Store, you simply input the PIN. Once you've inputted the PIN, you click on the option OK, and you turn on parental control in your Google Play Store. So it's that simple. You can try it out too. Okay, so this is simply how to set up parental control in Google Play Store. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.